In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Apollo.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, professional outreach sequence using a ready-made template, customize it for your audience, and turn it on with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into Apollo and that your email account is connected so messages can send without an interruption. We'll start on the Sequences page. From here, click Create Sequence. A sequence is simply a structured series of touchpoints, usually emails, sent over time. Give your sequence a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to test multiple versions. Next, open the Templates section. Templates save you time by giving you battle-tested copy and structure. You can browse by use case or style and preview the content to see how it flows. Look for a template that matches your goal, prospecting, follow-ups, or demo requests, and aligns with your tone. When you found the right fit, select the template. Take a quick look at the subject line, the opening sentence, and the call to action. Make sure the voice feels like your brand and that the message speaks to the kind of contacts you'll be reaching out to. Now click Use Template. This pulls the template directly into your sequence so you can see every step lined up. You'll usually see the first email and any scheduled follow-ups. This is where the structure becomes yours to refine. With the template in place, edit it to make it personal and relevant. Update the subject line to be concise and specific. Review any merge fields like first name or company and confirm they're correct for your data. Tighten the opening to show why you're reaching out, add one clear call to action, and remove any jargon. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and make sure each follow-up adds new value instead of repeating the same ask. If your audience is global, consider time zones and adjust send windows accordingly. You can also tweak spacing between steps so you're persistent without being pushy. A quick preview of a few contacts helps you catch placeholder issues before anything goes live. When everything looks good, click Activate. Activating makes the sequence live and ready to send to the contacts you enroll. Double check your sending limits and compliance settings and make sure unsubscribe links and signatures are in place. That's it. You created a sequence, chose a template, customized it, and activated it. Keep an eye on open and reply rates, iterate on your subject lines and calls to action, and you'll steadily improve results with Apollo.io.